A lot of companies have cracked how to use AI well in their messaging and also implement automation. So what I see happening is this is going to be too much of noise, right? And customers are going to find it very difficult to figure out, hey, which is the best solution for me? I think there's a lot of overload of AI or AI generated content out there, and then every ad is going to look similar, every landing page is going to look similar. They're going to talk the same thing, so it's going to become very difficult for companies to actually make decision. And I feel people are going to go to human connections then to make the decisions. I think it's going to go into a full circle, and I think I predict it's going to happen pretty soon.